I'm not going to the kitchen. You have to cook for me today.
Oh, you like this?
Yeah, I like what? Am I your slave?
It's not like you are my slave or something, but as a mother, you have to take care of yourself.
Grown up like you, I have to take care of you. Hey, what's so? Why not come as an Hey, you laughing? What's the name?
Oh, no, Mom, I don't have a choice. You want me to hurt my skin? Okay?
That's today we are going to fast. Because I'm not going to the kitchen. I'm tired.
Then let's go and buy food. It's as simple as that. Kinky is there. You can buy kinky. Or fufu. Either of them. All we need is to go there with our money.
Having all the foodstuffs home. You want me to give you money to go and buy food outside? Then what is the sense of buying food and keep it home?
That's why I was thinking you would cook it. Me, I'm not in the mood for cooking.
You are still sitting. Waiting for me to cook.
Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon, Auntie.
Please, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing good. How are you? I was just passing by and decided to come and say hi to you.
Thank you.
I hope your daughter is doing
As you see, she's cooking well.
Is your daughter there? She's fine.
Sir.
Yeah.
Like mother, like daughter.
Like daughter. I wish she's my wife.
Hey!
You people, why are you like this? So anybody you see, you must associate yourself with that person. What's wrong with you? How you wish what?
And what is wrong with that?
It's not nice. He's not supposed to even make this reference. Why should you say this? How you wish thing? How you wish?
Hey! What ma?
I don't like that, please.
Is that how you?
I don't play. No, I don't joke like that. I don't do that kind of thing.
Oh, it wasn't anything serious. Just saying it.
Next time, don't say that again.
What ma? Can't you see he's very handsome? Thick, tall.
I don't see him.
You know, such stature is what I want in my family. Yeah? If Asamoah give you son like him, we won't even bother ourselves to take Wachima or bodyguard in the house anymore.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
Me, my child is...
Oh, your child is going to be Kapupi. I don't want any Kapupi in my family. I want someone with this stature like this.
No. For that one, you don't have to worry. There are more prominent people who have the looks, the stage, and everything. They are there.
Okay, then bring them. Bring them.
Your daughter is looking down on me. I'm not that bad.
Asama, don't listen to her. Don't mind her. She don't know what she's talking about. Hey, and when you for Beba say, why nempe? So Beba ni fee.
Okay, mommy, I have to leave, man.
Yeah. Hey.
We just have this.
Asama.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
All this for us.
Oh, it's okay. Yes. Tomorrow we
Asama.
Yeah.
I hope you won't come for it.
No, it's not. Just
yeah.
Talking.
Hey. Umpo. He's going to marry you in the future. Yeah. Yes,
this woman.
You call this woman? It's okay, bless you and guide you home. Yeah. Extend my greetings to your parents. Okay, hey, Asamoah.
Right, I'm leaving. Take care.
This is just the beginning.
Mommy, please.
Okay, son. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. See the way he walk. Asamoah.
Why are you like that?
Hey! I'm like what?
Why should he even entertain you?
Yes, how are you? Fine. How are the kids? Why? I just say.
Yes.
Oh, then take them to hospital. For you, they have money, so they have problem.
No money.
I'm complaining, you two are complaining. Madam, please, today I want onion. How much? I want how much is it? 2 cities. Okay, I want onion 2 cities. I want garden eggs. I want also tomato 2 cities.
Thank you. Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Hey, what is it? Very expensive. 2 cities.
Yes.
How much is this one?
5, 6.
5, 6. One. Okay. And I also want one more.
How much?
No, I don't have money.
You won't buy it?
Oh, okay, just make it big. 2, 6. That's what. How much is this one?
1, 6.
This one's 1, 6.
Yes.
All the 3 or 1?
What?
You have plenty. Cassava or no?
That's it.
Wait. Mama, do you have pepper?
Yes.
How much is this? This one is kilo pepper.
Kilo pepper. 2, 6.
Okay, then. I have everything. So,
They no bed.
oh,
You want to take it.
oh, please.
I beg you.
Add one, you have money.
How much? You say that you still have money today.
Please. I'll pay you back. I don't have money.
Please, I beg you, don't tell me.
So you're not going to give me?
No. Please.
So you want me and my daughter to starve today?
No.
How are we going to survive?
I don't have money.
Ah. What now?
Me.
Where have you been?
I went to visit my friend.
Which of your friends?
Sophia.
Sophia. Every time Sophia. So, can't she advise you to stay home for once?
Yeah, but mom, what have I done wrong? I can't be in the house always. I have to go and visit a friend once in a while.
Say you're coming from Sophia's house, eh? Go and get money from Sophia. Buy tomato, onion, pepper. I've already prepared banku. Come and grind it, then we'll use it with the banku.
Mommy, but what are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
I told you I went to a friend's place, so how do you expect me to go and get onion and all those things?
And you expect me to believe you?
That's
What man? You are growing, oh. Eh? Wait, let me advise you. Nowadays, the way you go in and out, up and down, is too much. Please, you have to be careful. If you don't take care, if any man touch you, you're going to be pregnant. Pregnancy. Swati. Yeah.
This time round, things are different. I don't know how you see things, but gone are the days when you people used to do your things. Right now, things are not the same. So you have to allow me. I have to explore. It's youthful exuberance. You understand?
Right.
So I have to do my own thing.
Listen to me. There's a saying. Adia, when you take wa, Sakura, or Fruko Dian Mukasanyakana. If I'm talking, just keep quiet and listen to me. I know where we are coming from. You know our background. We are from very poor family. Even where we are living now, we quite fast when I drive a brain soon. It will be a 70 minutes the meet me quite a I forced to do. Whatever, please.
Mommy, so do you expect me to be someone like dog or just because we don't have money? It's just that you may not my head but I'm aware of it. It's not nice. This is the time we go clubbing, you go chilling and popping. What do you say? You pay your cost streets and also you can roll it. Yeah, they.
No, I won't go rolling. I'm a butcher malice. What ma? Shall we be you? And my name so may catch no. Now you don't have anyone who will give you advice. Only me. I'm the only one who can advise you. My dear daughter, please listen to me.
Hi.
Really? This is like I enjoy your drink so much. How I wish I could. We enjoy it together. And I have a sip of your drink.
No, please. I don't do that. I don't take drinks with strangers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, do you need?
Why would you like to know my name?
Because you're looking more pretty and look very awesome. Beautiful and you just need to know.
I'm Batman.
What, man? Wow. This is a very considered day. Charlie, Charlie, me, I club be a show one. Every free time, one.
Oh, I mean, you give me with some praise.
You said you don't talk to strangers. So now why are you looking at my face?
Why are you also looking at me?
I'm looking at you because you're beautiful. Can I open it for you? I know you can be sometimes to not see your words. Let me say. I just want to make you feel okay. It's like you're taking it. But it's beautiful. Yeah.
So what did you say your name was?
My name is Akosidade. Yeah. But honestly speaking, you know your name. Yeah. You have a boyfriend. You don't have a boyfriend. That's why we are here. If you wouldn't mind someday I become your boyfriend, would you be happy with that?
What did you say?
I said if someday I become your boyfriend. Or you don't like broke boys.
No, I broke boys.
You don't like broke boys?
Of course, I don't.
Yeah. So I can afford like 3 square meal a day. So what I gonna do?
What I hate more like is to think
I can see.
sky.
I can see you're getting more to see.
I'm on the
Yeah.
Okay, I'm fine.
Yeah. You're feeling more to see.
I'm not tipsy. Who's what you're tipsy? I'm not tipsy. Oh, wait, you told me I'm tipsy.
Sure. I saw you dance and you dance very well. I must recommend you. You know how to dance. What is this? I can see your fingertips. So should I take you home?
If I saw you, what's your problem?
Oh, not even high.
High for what? What do you need high for?
If you don't be doing this. You're acting as if you don't know anything.
What do I know? Like, why are you behaving like this?
Baby.
Who's your baby? Me. Are you dreaming?
Sometimes you shock me. You shouldn't be acting like this.
Gentleman, respect yourself, okay?
You know why I like you. And I've been doing a lot of things for you.
So is that why you stopped me? I'm quite so call me, babe. What's me me dance? Don't touch me!
We shouldn't be doing this.
So
I love you. I've been doing a lot of things
I
for
don't care whether you do whatever. I mean, Suma, is that okay?
you. Anything I do.
Can I show you? Are you mad?
What, man?
Are you mad? How dare you touch my bottles? Are you okay?
Did you just slap me?
Of course, you saw me. If you repeat it, I'll slap you 10 times. Stupid boy.
What, man? Is your mama around?
And of course, you're kicking me so I didn't show okay.
Hey, you know.
Yeah.
What's my okay? Hope you're doing good.
She's always good. Don't mind.
Hey!
I tell you, Bra. Bra. I can say. Who are you? I tell you, dear. I can say it was Canada with someone. So one when you can have it. I want to do it there. We must have about someone. This is no choir. Quite a crowd be the very purpose of my wife. Oh, Debbie, not the job there. Oh, good, it was I'm on the white. I make out. I go see you. Bye bye. Never go, bro. See, you have to allow me to. No, it's okay. The little man coming to give us. Only 5 CDs, maybe.
Hey.
Hey, what's man? Yeah. She was having malaria yesterday.
It's no problem. I'm taking it right now.
Oh, no. What you're thinking? She was complaining. Feverish yesterday night.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Still feel cold. Headache.
I said, idiot, and I need to make you know. I said, so.
What are you talking about?
What my doing? I'm suspecting kind of pregnancy.
Hey. What's your problem? Then how?
Waxing me.
No, what right do you have over me? Or who am I to you? I have no relationship with you. So, I don't even need your involvement. Send me mommy to what I do. I know better say what you are thinking. What you are thinking. Oh, excuse me.
What
man?
You can't talk to someone like that.
Mommy, you have been tolerating this guy. I just don't like it.
You can't talk to him like that.
Why can't I talk to him? So for him, he can talk to me like.
Asu, please talk to Batman and find better treatment for whatever it is. Asu.
She had malaria. Tomorrow morning, first thing first, I'll take her.
Okay, let's just take this money and go and buy her some medicine.
Some more. Some more. I don't know what to say. Hey, all this.
Just go and buy her the medicine and please, Batman.
Hey.
Don't joke with my heart. Batman, please.
I hate it.
I know we don't have anyone apart from me, so I don't want to hear any news.
No, I want to understand something here. What do you think of me? Me ordering. I don't have anyone. No, me ordering.
So,
me ordering. Who's the says got mama me get mummy and masa mo. Don't get me.
Are you trying to tell me that you haven't seen whatever I'm doing?
Seen what?
What man?
No, mommy.
Are you blind?
You have to say.
No, are you blind?
They say penny do man. Maybe they help me who.
What man? If you are talking to someone, take care because he is going to be your husband.
So mommy have to set the whose husband? Me.
You.
Never.
So far as I'm alive, Asama is going to be your husband. Your future husband.
Oh, you can marry him, mom, if you want.
If I want the money that he's giving us all the time.
That's why he's been giving it to you. What was somebody's girlfriend in something?
I bet you eat from it. I use the same money, buy foodstuffs.
Mom,
Hey. Asama, sorry, Asim.
So I mean,
No, don't talk too much.
Upon all the money, all the gifts, all the shopping, you are still telling me that you don't have anything to do with me and blah 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 blah.
No, let me ask you a question.
Stop asking questions.
You can't shout at me. Oh, sorry, I didn't know my band. Mate, I don't like it.
I've been giving you gifts. I've been shopping for you. Even the clothes you are wearing right now, I bought it for you.
You bought it for me. Atade me and I make a son I want to know.
Yes.
Atade me share me say me mammy. And a ton your mother mommy. As to where and whatever onion is cafe and I said yes.
You know it.
Hey, I don't know anything.
Don't pretend.
Hold on.
Don't stress.
Hey,
Don't stress.
for your information, this particular dress, Asama bought it for you.
I don't know.
I use my own money.
Mom, you bought it for me.
Asama bought it
so
for you. It's for Asama.
And for me.
Aha.
Why
Don't touch me.
ungrateful? Huh? What man?
Umpo, Asama is going to be your future husband. What did I just see? What were you doing? Vomiting. You were vomiting, eh? Wait.
Mom.
Hey,
no,
what
why did you do this?
What man, wait.
And Mom, you'll be married.
Hey.
Like, I don't get it. Mom, what are you doing?
So, they allow me.
Allow you do what?
Allow me to check you. I want to check your pulse. What am I? What am I hearing? What am I? Where did you get this from? Tell me. And how? Where? When? And who is responsible, my dear? Who is responsible? What am I? Who should your brother the fiancé? What am I? You have a problem here. Hey!
Mom, I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not feeling well.
What man? Me say, when you are pregnant. Yes.
Me.
Tomorrow morning, first thing first, your urine, we are taking it to the hospital. You are pregnant if you don't know. How can
I get pregnant? Me, I don't know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about.
Boss. Never seen it seems to amaze me. What is so special about this particular girl that you are so worried about?
You don't understand the girl. You don't understand it. I entered. I know what I entered. She's so beautiful, so sweet, so elegant. There is something in this girl that I just want to. I just want to get in contact with her again.
I still don't understand what you are saying. You see, you just pick a random girl, had a one-man stand with the person, and then you are dying for her.
She's not a random girl. You see, when you see a random girl, you know that this one is a random girl. When you take her out, you see some. That's the way I met her, and the way she was dancing, and the way she was doing her things and then stuff. Doesn't look like somebody who is a random girl.
Okay, let me ask this. Where did you meet her?
I meet her at the club.
It's a nice show, so forget about her.
No, you can't just understand what I'm saying. She's not a show. She's not. She's not. I'm going crazy. I wish I could find this girl. I love her so much. Why did I even leave her in the room in the first place?
Why should I? Okay. So now, you don't give me your details.
I think one stupid thing I did is I didn't take any details. We just spoke and I just told her I am Akosida Bie. That's all. And she said I am Watma. And I didn't ask her name.
You see,
nothing, no telephone number, nothing. I'm going crazy.
So you see
I wish I could find her.
No. We meet a random girl. You had a one-man stand. We need to forget about this girl. Let's move on. I don't know what is wrong with this. There are so many pretty girls out there. I can't even get through one.
Upon everything.
You are the only in-law I know.
So I did this.
What is the name of this?
I did this.
I said you're the only in-law I know.
No. So I did this.
I don't know.
Wait. Sometimes you behave like I didn't know you were like this. As someone, you of all people. And also, tell me, is that why you stopped bringing us money? Don't you know my child is starving?
So you can tell me this.
Of course, because I don't know, you are doing a voluntary service.
I don't blame you. I blame your mother. But trust me, even this place you are staying right now.
Hey, Asama, please. Asama, don't do
this.
Asama, don't do this to us.
I will show you where the power.
Hey, you won't show us anything.
What, man?
Mommy, let me control. And yes, say you want to make time make come out in true beer. Maybe you are buying the power. Can go so far. No, me bandit me na that.
Wait, don't test my patience. What the make? Don't try, don't try.
Until by woman, Anna, like what are you trying to do?
And I'm not sure. Make sure to me a grandma.
Asama, please.
For everything I did.
Asama, please.
Shopping, you can't do
What's the agreement? Only make agreement, Anna. Into onya way. We have some people who will be into one yami e won kwa sorry on.
Utimi kasa na say. Utimi
kasa. Na is na dey. Ade wo ye e ya doye.
What man? Kan wanu tu mo ho no. Kan wanu tu mo ho.
Very good.
Kan wanu tu mo ho no.
I will show you where
you show me nim say grant me ben so besa. E dey never come so. Why?
Please. Mommy, there no maintain me be a show. So upon the gift, upon the shopping, upon the money, you knew say Obama or Bitata. And yes still, when I bring
Asama, can I ask something? Have you ever touched her?
Yeah.
Hey.
Did your daughter ever give me the chance to even talk to her?
So you haven't done anything with her?
No. And you know it. Don't pretend. Stop pretending. Stop pretending.
No, Asama.
What's the matter about this?
Are you telling me someone named Asama, is that how you are?
Maybe why baby?
No, don't know me no quite chaba. You know so me to no. Since your family don't stop for me hasing no. So what me have me then?
You touch her bum-bums.
Yes, no.
And after that, pregnancy.
Don't you know?
What pharmaceutical will be like? You are taking me for a fool.
No.
That's how she thinks. I watch my hair. Look at all this.
It's no issue, eh? Are you why?
Okay.
Oh.
I'm giving you
that's why I said that.
I'm just giving you guys 3 days. You come to move here. Yeah. Make 3 hands in elbow. Make just give me 3 days. Make 3 hands in elbow. Don't touch me.
Hey, mommy,
me wrong. What think I'm talking with you?
Do you know I'm about Unipa?
That's the kind of me spending on you guys, you know. Undi am commit my. Oh, excuse me. Undi the scan commit me die. Do you know that kind of amount of commit me die?
Asama, please.
What
I'm really surprised that.
What is scam?
I'll report you to the police. Hey, if you don't stop, Sao crash na me my pictures who are so mo fi adopt what? Have you seen what you brought? Have you seen what you have caused? Now, you have to vacate this house.
We are not going anywhere.
We are not going anywhere. Tell me, who impregnated you? Tell me. What, man? You're going to tell me, oh. You're going to tell me, oh. Huh? You think I'm joking? You're going to... This guy is standing here saying he has not even touched you. Touching someone on the road means he has slept with you. Huh? You're going to tell me that's who pregnant you, who impregnated you. You're going to tell me.
I don't know.
What about? Who's your boyfriend?
Mommy, I don't have a boyfriend.
You want to tell me a girl like your type, you don't have a boyfriend? And so who impregnated you?
That's where the problem is.
Hey.
I don't know.
What are you beside you? Mr. Machine, also machine before 7 o'clock. Baba do machine be any here. Huh? Baba, I didn't throw the project. Oh, my God, I didn't throw. Machine way. Do, Sadway, what's going to complain you? Me beside Uber repeat this. Me here then as soon as possible. I didn't.
What do you feel?
Me here, Mrs. Yes, come and do that thing and let's move on. Project here, yes. Yeah, be happy, Cassie. Hospital, guys are the people. Background will be near the didn't come watch it. One power show. Come and do that thing, let's move on.
Please.
Don't joke with a business.
Don't
business.
To us. Please. Hey.
Do you know that kind of amount involved with this kind of project? You are delaying things. Don't joke with money. Yeah. I'm waiting for you. About 30 minutes time or 40 minutes. Yeah, I have to see you here. What sort of nonsense is that? When it's so business there, I don't want any interruption when it comes to business.
My in-law.
But that in-law, someone will come. Stop saying that. Please, I'm not your in-law. I don't know you. I don't know you from anywhere. So please.
Oh, is this particular house we're talking about?
Yeah, make it just a baton.
Hey!
Housemate. Make it just a beginning no trouble.
So are you serious?
I'm more than serious.
Hey, that's what's out here.
Oh, come on, very so busy with you. Papa. Oh, so there's how Baba Swamano. See, they make a new.
What, ma?
So if you have your belongings, so what don't persuade you better beginning in Africa.
So,
You have a beginning in Africa. You pay and best of honest. I'm not talking about any pregnancy. I said remove everything you have here and leave.
Where do you want us to go? We don't have any place to go.
Let's come as the same because they say the crow a jiwa. Now come baby from. Condition you want from. I said mama me. Me boss I told about that. I have talk right every year hospital. Hospital every no. It's more than one no. The empese baby jene machine be do hana.
Hey.
That's someone you call it. Hello. Aha. Me udu da Costa Junction. On ta akufutukwa na enye no. Ye be dwefri ho na ade aba. Ejuri udu da Costa Junction. Aha, sa ho na udu du wa fast. Na me pay delayers me mom delay me se me chewa. Why?
Aso.
Am be se me chewa.
Aso.
Am pay delayers to am ya me sasa ni mo nyem free a me se mo na enye yi.
Aso please. Can you give us 1 week?
Hey, show me my boss for me paying. Hello boss. Certain woman be in or the office or distracting a man or yeah, me pattern. Oh, don't know, yeah, when you mamma be a on what a year you be a. So, this person can want us up a pound. I think my mom with the machine so well. Sir, okay. Mate. What do you say? I'm not Mate. Right. Mate.
Hey, ready? I'm sure boss. I'm meeting boss in one name. I'm sure boss.
You have me your church now. You know, Butu no. Oh, you have your church now.
I so to be.
Hello, Michael. Aha. What am hold one kakra. How munko yadim munfo machine ko yadim na ehwe boss obe scout ni me biasa
Hey
mate
back of father.
Okay, for your information, early tomorrow morning pack your things and leave before even my boss will come here. Me call
Asabo, why are you doing this to us?
Am I doing
Is it my fault? It's not my fault. Why are you doing this to us?
Oh yeah, what you said, you money we no some of them to sana.
Meaning, no.
I've
not had it. Been sending and me need any idea about what man did. You come so no nothing you say. Me so no.
We send him.
Me send him and him who be
be free. We send any minute. Yeah, pamu be free. Tell be some the traces of the case.
This is about dear, so better than if you what a man. Ah, dear, someone by your say. What a man. What how do you want come here? Someone must say you to if you say. As somebody great up for bad, yeah. Oh, baby, drift here, you know.
Ain't fine if you been.
The boss. He's our savior. The boss. And I stop for someone training. I'm watching her. Oh, man, I'm that what about? Oh, dog of Abba.
As someone a day go for big dream.
Have you seen what you brought?
How?
Yes.
As someone with me for that thing.
They have given us just what they. That's man. I always talk to you. I advise you. Have you seen what it costs? In the beginning, I was thinking maybe your pregnancy is for someone. Not knowing from nowhere to be found person. But where are we going to live with this pregnancy? But never think about mosquitoes. But hey.
For me, I don't have anywhere to go. Then it's better they come and then do away with all of us. And wondering because I don't have anywhere to go. Me going, yeah fine. Mommy, young ko baby ya. Omubra na say umusha say nipa. Yeti dem hana some baby ya togo. Mundri yentungo. What is the meaning of all these? Bonnie baby.
Mommy, I was sick. Today sick, tomorrow sick. You expect me to sleep outside under bridge in the market? Why do you expect me to sleep, Fatima? We don't have money to rent house. We don't have time. Asama is the only person who supports us. And now, see what it costs. See yourself. Ow. 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 God.
It's not deliberate. You said that say if you make a fancy my brother. I've been thinking about this every second, every minute. I don't know how it happened. I mean, it's not coming me off. I just don't know.
Stop telling me that. Who is the father of yours, of child?
I don't know.
Yes. Very nice. Aha, ma, this is the woman I was talking about. I know that's what. Oh, I don't know so woman Masana. Huh? Fashion political.
Asama, please. Asama,
where did I come? Huh? Did I tell you this? I just leave this place.
Asama.
Now go.
Asama, please.
Stop that! Don't tell nobody. I don't know so woman Masana. Huh? Sorry. Hey,
Asama, shut up there.
Is that how you are talking?
Sorry, as a head of marketing at that group of companies, and this is how you talk to people.
Oh, this woman is difficult, and that's why I'm.
This is unbelievable. Shut up there. Don't talk when I'm talking.
You shouldn't be entertaining her.
You
don't know her. I know her.
One word from you again. Shut up. Mommy, sorry. Please.
You don't have anywhere to go. If you sack us from this house, now I'm going to sleep outside. Also, my daughter is pregnant.
Your daughter is pregnant?
She's pregnant.
Where is she?
She's going out. She's going to buy.
Don't worry. I will know what to do. I will talk to my CEO and you will know how best we can make this decision.
So you have another boss?
Yes, I have a boss, my CEO.
Please. Talk to him for me,
Don't
please.
Please.
As a boy is the only one who helps us, and now we don't help us anymore. You don't want to see us either.
I know I'm the one You say.
You know her.
Oh.
She's a scammer.
And yet, who is a scammer?
You don't know her.
That's why I'm just scammer. I'm not scammer.
No,
I'm not.
You seem to be a different person altogether now.
Yes, because of this woman. A lot of things has happened. And I don't want to go deeper.
So you'll meet at the office, okay? You are behaving in an unconscionable.
No, I'm not being. I just want to do the right thing.
Okay, you don't worry. When you get to the office, we will settle this.
So,
okay. Mommy, please, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Like I said, I'll talk to my CEO. You know how best we solve this
Thank
issue.
you.
We've actually bought the place, this whole land, including this building. We are about to demolish it, but since this, I'll talk to my CEO.
Please talk to him.
Sorry, Mom.
Yeah, my God said, thank you.
You hear from her, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. It means that's this morning. I'm even to go.
Scam me.
Oh, I told you.
I'm time.
She's a scammer.
She's a scammer.
I know her.
You seem to be a different person.
Yes. I know what I'm doing.
There's someone I know. Do you have some
Money.
Yes.
I have money, but you are trying to be a victim of.
Mommy, please take this.
Hey,
It's okay.
boss. Boss.
No.
Boss.
No. Please stand up. Please. Oh, no. Please stand up.
Boss, let's thank you. When was the last time?
You have given her money. No, boss, you have given her money. Do you know what the implication of this?
It is my money, not yours.
Okay, just
Give it back. Hey,
just give it her.
shut up and give her the money.
Boss.
Asaba, you don't have sympathy on me. Asaba, I'm not a scammer.
Who knows her?
I'm not a scammer.
You don't know her. Boss.
Be very careful. So you are now challenging me.
I'm not challenging. I'm sorry. Please.
You are challenging my orders.
I'm sorry, please.
I'm
sorry.
Okay.
Hey.
Your office is at stake. Mommy,
Boss.
you may pack your things. You can pack your things back inside. Then I'll talk to my CEO as I said. Then go back. Okay.
Thank you. Greet yourself.
I will do that. I will do that.
Thank
Mm-hmm. They have transferred the money into their account, yeah. I just get the notification. If they have already sent, they have made a deposit of 200,000 to their account, yeah. Mm-hmm. And what about the project in Asqua? What's up with it? Because it needs to be done by now.
So it was
Why? Is there anything wrong?
sorry, but there's something going on that I think we need to look through it very well.
What is it?
It's getting me worried.
It's getting you worried.
Yes, boss.
What is that?
I was at our squad this afternoon. Someone, the marketing manager, called me that he's going to a new site where
that we bought, yeah,
yes,
the new one that we said we
so you would love for me to
yeah.
So I went there with him. Could you believe there is a woman at that property? I think 2-bedroom house, uncompleted. She said she's living there with her daughter, a pregnant daughter. Yeah. But the way someone spoke to her, boss, as a marketing manager who knows the code and ethics of this company.
Doesn't supposed to talk like that.
Boss, I was shocked. That is what is making me worried. I don't know how he's managing this marketing side. I don't know whether he is the first time going to because he was the one insisting that we should buy that land, of which we agree.
Yeah, we should buy that property because that is why we bought all the whole area.
Yes, but as a marketing manager, he got to a point. The woman was crying that since yesterday till the time we went there, not even food, not even water.
Do we have such people in this country?
Boss, I was shocked. So I was shocked and I asked him for money. if he has cash on him, because mine was very little. And he said he don't have. So
Why didn't you call me at that time?
I had 300 cities on me and I gave it to the woman. Then Asamoah went and took the money back from her.
Asamoah did what?
Calling her a scammer, all sort of names.
No. You need to take me to that place at once. Yes, because I need to know that woman and apologize to her. Because we can't just do the property is mine. But I am the CEO. I can't speak to anybody that much.
Exactly. So I was shocked when he exhibited that behavior. Because after everything, the company's name is Japan.
Yes.
So I stood in and I apologized to her that I'm sorry for that inconvenience. I will communicate to you, then we know how best we can settle that issue. But
please, can you take me there tomorrow?
Sure.
So that tomorrow, I think I have a meeting around 10.
Yes,
after the meeting. Yeah, after the meeting, then you take me there. I just want to meet this woman and apologize to her. Then you see, that Protasi apartment, I think it's left one flat. Genius apartment, I think it's left one flat.
No, it's two.
Two flats. We have
one at the down there and at the top.
Oh, okay. Then we have to give her a place to stay so that I can demolish that place for the project that we want to do. But
you see, boss, per what the woman was saying, Asamoah used to be a good friend of them. He was like, you see, Asamoah has been the person supporting us, but he doesn't know what she has done to Asamoah that he is treating her like that. Saying it was like about 2 weeks now since Asamoah started this. That was when he told us to buy that land. So I think there's something going on.
You don't worry, take me there tomorrow. I just want to meet this woman and talk to her. So you said
this is the house.
Wow. Oh, okay.
See, for where the pole is.
Yeah.
Down to that pillar.
Oh, okay. This is a very nice place.
So this is where the woman lives. So, boss, who's the YAHWEH marketing manager?
Yeah, this place is very nice and very conducive. The only problem I'm having is the road. The road to this place, I mean, we need to find a good contractor to construct it for me.
Yeah, it's a job.
Yeah.
If the job is there, so there's no need to panic.
No, yeah. Job, yeah. He's my friend, yeah. We talk to him, then we know how best. Yeah, and the money
The problem was what I told you.
Let's check if the woman is inside. Hello, Fia! Hello!
Mommy!
I think that one is around.
I was very sad when she started crying and all this. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, boss.
You see, I will give her one of the apartments in Genius.
Okay.
One full apartment so that they can live there for a time being, so that we can demolish this place and start our project.
That's cool.
Then later on we see how best we can sort them out.
Oh, okay.
Because I learned the property doesn't belong to them.
No.
Yeah, so I guess we have to do them good. Sure, nobody knows tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think this is a nice place. I love the environment. So since nobody's around, let's go because I have a meeting around 4 o'clock. So I'll come back.
Waste moments,
Yeah, I'll come back and look for her. I just want to have a word with her. Virtually, you told me you are coming with them some more.
Yeah, boss.
And you have some documents for me?
Yes, this is the document. But before then, I wanted to make sure I'm not going contrary to the rules of the company. So I even went there as an undercover.
I'm looking at the report and the report is not saying good things about him at all.
Like, because I was even shocked. Because I even went there as an undercover. Because this company, in fact, you have suffered a lot to build this company up to this standard. So I will not stand there for any of the employees to bring this food to this company. So I went there to do inquiries. And As you can see from the report, it doesn't speak
Yeah.
well of him.
It doesn't speak well of him at all. I mean, all the people on my legs are even this one, even just it's so embarrassing.
Because me, I got a line. I got a line at is it around Einstein area, and he insisted that no, boss, there is this particular land that are very cheap and affordable. I want us to go there. So I was, why is this guy pushing this project to that side? Because actually the hospital project was supposed to be in Einstein.
Yeah.
So that is it. There is this girl there that she likes. I likes her, but the girl is not giving him. She's giving him a doctor.
Oh, okay.
For that matter, he want us to buy that property.
We have already buy the property, and he wants to take advantage of that girl, because that is the report I am getting from you. All the girls in the company are complaining. Since you're the head of the marketing, then if you tell a 11, the person says, "Oh, I'm not interested," then you say, "Then you have to sell 10 houses, else I'll fire you." Those kind of reports, they come from this. Why should you supposed to do that?
Please can I talk?
I'm listening.
I don't know the reason why people hate me that much. I'm not like that.
Just look at him.
I've worked for over 7 years for this reputable company. And I haven't heard anything bad about it. It's just minor issue here and there.
For touching the ladies at their offices. What is the rules of that group of companies? What is our code of ethics that group of companies? What's our code of ethics?
Everything is strictly business, not about dating. We don't date fellow employee.
So why do you keep touching them?
Oh, and as I was saying, it's a little bit.
You threaten them not to speak up, because if you hear anything about it, you are going to fire them.
I don't know, boss here don't like me like that.
I know don't like you.
But the whole issue about that particular place that boss is saying, it's complicated. It's a whole lot of issues, and that place is a very cool environment for this particular hospital. That's the reason why I was insisting that we should go there.
So why were you so rude to the woman? That's my problem. As a marketing manager, look at how you were speaking to the woman.
The woman,
who is old enough to be your even grandmother.
the woman, you said we have already bought the land, and the woman refused to pack her things out. And moreover, the woman was insulting me here and there.
I was there personally. Stop lying. I never knew you could be this
Richmond, this is my decision. So now you are demoted. You are no more employee. You are no more head of the sales team again. And for your information, transfer 2 is added to it. You're going to be paid.
Exactly.
And from now onwards, you're on probation to put up a good behavior for 6 good months before, if the company revise their decision and know that you have changed, then we know what to do about your position.
Please, you know I've worked so hard for this position.
If you know that, why do you molest people outside against my company's name?
It's a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding at what point? Because one, in my presence, you should have at least consider.
He gave the woman money and you
And
took
you took
the money from the woman.
In my presence, you were insulting the woman.
I'm done. Get out from my house. I'm done. Get out from my house. I said I'm done. Get out from my house.
Gentlemen, what's wrong with you? Why do you keep staring at people like this? Please, I don't like it. You guys of today, I don't know how you behave.
Sorry, dear, sorry. Don't be offended. I just.
Why shouldn't I be offended? You are just here watching me like that. Why?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Who are you looking for?
Can I ask you a question? Okay, fine. My name is Akwasida. I am the CEO of that group of companies. I have real estate and I have more companies that I am the CEO. And you actually look like somebody I've met someday.
I don't know you.
Sorry, can I? But is your name Watman?
Yes, I'm Botsman. How did you get to know my name?
Watman, I've been searching for you for a very long time. And I don't know where I can find you.
Searching for
a
me?
coincidence.
Me?
Yes,
Botsman.
Yes.
What?
Do you remember the guy you met at the club some time ago? Night, we went to a hotel, struck a night. You did that?
Me strike a night with me. You?
Yes, of course.
I know how you people you play. That's why I started telling you I am not into jokes. You keep playing around people. I'm a tiffy, I'm a dreaming where you do you know what? I don't even imagine that. Until Baba just started me.
What now? Who is responsible? I just want to know who is responsible for that.
How is that your business?
Okay, fine. Can I remind you of something? Do you see any notes on your bed when you wake up in the morning writing, I love you so much. Thanks for the sex. And we shall meet again someday. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Do you love it? Go baby. Oh. You baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh, sweet. Take it. Do you love it? Do you like it? Are you okay? Are you okay? Take it. Take it, baby, take it. I love you.
am I doing here? I love you so much. I enjoyed your sex. Hope to see you someday. What? What did I do? Oh, my goodness. Are you the one?
Yes, of course. I have been looking for you everywhere.
You!
Yes.
So, no, are you the one who did that to me? Should I?
No.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm
How
down.
dare you?
Calm down.
You messed up my life like this, and you're here telling me to calm down. How should I calm down? I've been looking for you. I didn't even know. God is so good. You ruined my life.
Sorry.
You're sorry.
Calm down.
After making me like...
Calm down. Calm down. I'm sorry. It's not my intention. I'm sorry. I've been looking for you everywhere. Even I sent my PA to search for you.
You are sorry. Just get your hands off me. You are sorry.
Okay, fine.
I even have to slap you.
Yes, and I will take it. I will take it. I am sorry. So who is responsible? Is it me? If it's me, please tell me. I'll take care of it. I'll make you a happy woman. Please.
You ruined my life. Look at what you've done to me.
And you're in phone, so it just happened. Oh, you're a nice girl. Oh, I can take my eyes off you. I felt it's all a random girl be our number, baby, so that is why I wrote that note and left you money. But I'm sorry I didn't leave my number on the paper.
Me, a random girl.
That is what I thought.
Don't even try to disrespect me here.
No, I
trying to
would
be
never
calm
do that.
because of my condition. Else you see what I would have done to you.
I'm sorry.
You think you can take people for granted like
I'm
that?
sorry.
You know what you've made me go through? You know the pain my mother has gone through because of your stupidity, your one night stupidity. Do you know what it has caused me?
I'm sorry, can I see your mom? I just want to meet your mom and talk to your mom.
She has nothing to discuss with me.
Let me-
Please, no, don't touch me. Leave. Get out of my house.
Can I see your mom? Okay,
Gentleman.
can I get your mom's number so that I just don't want to have a
By
word
the
with your
count of 3, you should be out of this premises. Do you understand? 1.
Okay, sorry. Chill. When you're extra, so sorry. Chill. I'll be back. Chill. Don't worry. Thank you.
So, yes. Jesus. So it was him.
You said you have a word with me. What is it about?
Mommy, do you know what happened today?
Tell me.
It's so amazing. Can you believe that? When you went out, there was this young man who came in looking for you. But in the course
Looking
of
for me?
yes, he said he was looking for you. Me, it's normal. Like people do come around, and then one thing I realized was that he was just staring at me. He was just staring at me.
How?
So I got angry. You know how I behave. So I got angry and I just yelled at him. But to my surprise, Mom, can you believe that he's the father of my child?
What? No,
It's-
come again.
Mom, I said I have seen the father of my child today.
How?
How? I am your mom.
How do you know it's him? A stranger just came here, barged in, and then you said he's the father of your unborn child. How come?
I'm not a kid. Do you know something? That very day, we had that encounter. Also, what kind of day? I'm catch us say, me should them. It's too many. So, but you know, I say now, me nene kasami. Ninkum mo DM. Do you know show me nene? Be 1 or 2. I was like, yo, why is this guy just? And he asked me, he said, are you not Boaty? He just mentioned my name.
He asked your name.
Oh, no, they bore me.
Oh, he mentioned your name.
Yes. I see yes, some person and say, hold on, sir, I was a bit. Say, I yes, me the boss one day. I said, do you remember me? No, like, hold on, bitch, me say, the kind said club now me called the last time be say PP and the other see. Was a club no me could share guy. I remember very well. So many guys could share one the other commodity, but also I drunk apparently. Me only share that also. But I remember very well say. Me that sorry I'm upon the hotel when I sorry I'm upon him. Someone knows be down. And it was like, was it? Then I love you so much. I really enjoyed your sex.
On the note.
Yeah, on the note. I really enjoyed your sex. Hope to meet you one day or so. Like baby some of man. That statement now no attract one. Like and no. And like it dropped him attention because say and you know I'm past for me sorry, and that was the notes are not that one. So kind of really. So was really mommy man for no one chance. Then you say on some condition. I don't want it to seem say yeah, may a picture now. Because me started something.
Hey, wonders shall never end.
You want to cut some peer free uncle cry. Uncle baby, you know, what are you talking about? How could you? So I made him, yeah, well, one day, just say. He was very fortunate.
What should you? Instead of you collect his telephone number and give it to me later I'll phone him. You rather insulted him, shout at him. What is wrong with you? Mama, you shouldn't have done that. He's the person that we've been looking for all this while. And God send him here and you drive him away. What is wrong with you?
It's not my fault. I didn't know Kasam.
What? Oh.
Mama, also the way I made me who near the way I did none of who cry me. Like his presence was irritating and I just wanted to sack him. I'm probably Jim said yes.
It was irritating.
I'm probably Jim.
Oh, do you know what happened to me when I went to the place where we went yesterday?
Were you able to go?
Yeah, I was there. And do you know what happened?
Oh, what is it? What was
I
that?
went to meet that girl I told you about that we have one night stand.
Wow.
Yeah.
Was she in the house?
Yes. And the way she treated me, she didn't even recognize me because she was too drunk.
No, boss, let me get something. Is she staying there or
I don't really know if she's staying there or not, but she's pregnant.
That reminds me, because the woman told me she's staying there with a daughter, a pregnant daughter.
Do you know that night where I have a nice stand with her? I look at her very well and there is something about her which makes me more. Do you know that night that I have sex with her? Mm-hmm. There is something that makes me more into her and I look at her very well. So immediately I spotted her. My man was like, is that her? Is that not this person that we have searched for everywhere that we can't find?
Wow.
Wow. What a small world. And I just asked her, please, is your name? He said, my friend, why are you telling me like that? I don't like that. And he started insulting me and I said, please, can I ask you a question? Is your name Boatman? Yes, why? Do you remember going to a club, seeing a guy, going out with that guy? Yes, I remember something like, I am the guy. He said, no, my friend, get away. So later on I told her, do you remember I wrote a note and add money to it? The note says, I love you so much, I enjoy your sex, I hope you meet someday. He said yes.
What?
Immediately he said yes. The lady gets up from his seat and grabbed
That means
my fabric. The fabric that I bought, almost 2,000 plus, he just woke up and just grabbed. The way she grabs me, I was very happy within me. I said, wow, this is my wife.
Wow.
Yeah, so I was very happy to meet her once again.
Wow, that means you are responsible for that pregnancy.
Yes, because looking at the things and the way she just bumped into me and the way she was acting towards me, it makes me more exuberant and say, yes, I now see a woman with caliber. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I would do anything possible to have her as my wife. Because she's something.
I'm in full support. I'm at your back.
Yeah, because I will go there tomorrow. I'll go back there tomorrow.
Was the mother there?
No, the mother wasn't there. I just want to meet the mother and make sure it's the same person we are talking about. Yeah, the same mother we are talking about.
So because she told me she's living there with her daughter, a pregnant daughter, to be precise.
Charlie, the way the girl hold me, I was very happy with him. I said, wow. This mom said, baby, chill. And he just calm down, chill. I said, what should I chill? What should I chill? You see, this and them stars. What should I chill? You destroy my life. You do this to me. You do this and that. I love you, baby.
I see you. My boss is in love.
Yeah, that girl is too much. She's too amazing.
Oh, I can't wait to see me too. I can't wait to meet her. Because when we went there, it was only the woman there.
Yeah.
The daughter wasn't there.
We will go there tomorrow. Because I want you to accompany me tomorrow. Because I don't know what she will do when she sees me. So you need to be there.
Don't worry, boss.
Yeah.
I did with you. I did last
night. Yeah, so tomorrow morning then.
How are you? Like I said, the idea when we came here the last time, I told you I'll talk to my boss. So this is my boss. See what those are all boss.
Oh, David, don't know. It's not nice to do that. I'm sorry for whatever happened. And then it's property, and you do and see where it's like you build houses and sell some, you get some people, now sell as soon as I say so it's so sad, say, the senior officer that I said before, this is what has happened. In the Samoa Day, the demon team of 1, 2, selling it very far away from an equal.
At least he has helped us some years back.
But it's against our code of ethics in the work. Because we've trained all our workers not to misbehave when they go outside.
And he is even head of the budget.
So it's very good.
I was
And I think what myself.
What was
the one you told me she's pregnant.
Oh, that's good. Then for your information, we need to demolish this place, this place, and I mean, I will take you to a place. I have some flats. I'll have a whole big flat.
Hey, you again? What are you doing here?
Fatima!
No. What do you want my house?
Fatima!
Please, I thought you not to come.
Hey, David! You know who you're talking to? And you know who you holding?
I know you.
Hey!
Leave me alone. If you don't take care, I also.
No. Fatima!
Calm down.
Please.
Fatima!
Is it the one pregnant?
Yes!
Leave me alone.
No, for the sake of the pregnancy, please calm down.
You just leave me.
Fatima! What is wrong with you?
Mom.
Do you know whom you're touching?
Yes, I know him. Mommy,
What do you know?
he's the man I'm talking to you about. The one who got me pregnant.
And so, is that how to treat him?
Mom.
We have to give thanks and praises to God that we have found him at last.
Thanks and praises. Mommy, you'll be all no. I hear me saying
I know you're lying.
Mommy, do you
That's the one.
see?
That's the one. You know what this one is?
Mommy, pay some of him until okay.
What? Please, let's ask. Yeah.
Don't even look at me.
What, man? Boss, sorry.
No,
Sorry.
Mommy, don't worry.
Mommy,
What, man?
why should he say sorry to me?
He's even now planning to give us apartment to go and live in. Huh?
Don't worry. That's how ladies are. It's normal. I'm cool.
Boss, big boss, sorry.
Sorry,
Sorry,
I'm
please.
cool. I'm sorry. What's wrong? You okay?
Don't talk to me this much.
But you don't want anymore.
I'm not sure. Maybe probably one day I'll be coming out.
Whose husband?
I'm sure.
Don't bring yourself. Don't even
Why
bring
you're carrying
yourself.
my baby?
And so what?
You just come and see.
What man? Let bygone be bygone, please. You have to thank God. Now to warn him.
Yes.
Oh, it's over.
And I'm about to demolish this place because this place belongs to me. And I am going to demolish it.
Hey.
And I can demolish this place. Yes. Well, that's where my unborn baby is staying. How can I do that? So I am planning to give you a very nice apartment for you to go and stay there. And take very good care of you. So calm down. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
As someone who works in our company.
Yes.
Yes.
Which Asamoah you talking about?
The one that comments this.
That foolish boy.
Yes.
He doesn't have money. Do you know how that boy?
What man?
I have devoted him.
What?
He was the marketing
And
manager.
transfer him from.
He has been our help before. Please.
You should have sacked him.
He's feeding the whole family. So how can I do? This child, they're really very happy.
I can see she likes you. She likes you, boss.
Boss, what kept you so long to look for me?
You can ask my general manager. And I sent people to look for her. And the mistake that I did, I didn't write my name on the sheet of the paper that I wrote there. That is the only mistake I did.
You don't believe the trauma we've gone through. It wasn't easy for us at all.
That is why God brought me
Pain.
at the end of the day to solve all these issues. I never knew I would even meet Botsma again. Because the day that I left her, I felt something would have right. I love her. If only she would give me the chance, I would get married to her tomorrow morning.
Of which I think it is going to happen because
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
our wife. Our wife.
Yeah.
So now you are our in-law, mommy.
And my in-law, I said, so don't worry. I will let my boss come and take it. So, guess we give me. Let's have a I will be happy to see the I will leave you to talk about it.
Okay.
That night she was very lovely. That makes me love her so much.
I know you. I know you.
Let me just. What's it? Give me money. And if I tell you that money, stay where you are. Hey!
There's more on the way coming, so don't worry.
Don't worry. Everything will be
We are not like a someone.
yeah. Until I guess we will leave you to talk about English and then you start packing. Because I think by the weekend they will come and demolish all this.
So you leave your number.
Don't even pack anything. I'll send my voice to you.
Your number.
Give me your phone to just take my one. I'll call you. It's my first number.
Hey, wait, man.
Are you okay now?
When the phone on what's I fiance?
Are you okay now? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hello.
So let's go. I will call you and my boss will come and take you. Okay. I'll see you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Our wife.
What is wonderful?
Mommy, I didn't even know you were that rich. You know, as a normal guy, and like,
So someone raped me and he didn't tell me.
It wasn't like he somehow like raped me. Not how I like him, but he took advantage of me.
And he hid it from me. All this of me asking who is the father of your own child?
Do you know why? Because it's me man. It's me capture me. No, me better now they want. I don't need at all.
It's got for you to be
Show me, my drum my
but if you to son of the man wanna say, what is up, myself? Open us.
They
I don't know, me pay. Maybe 2 years come or somebody can't tell you, come on, yes, and many scammers. It's my minimum. Open now, you trust.
mommy, some of the show me.
And then when you're going to set up, I show him that. If I just says, come and ask someone can say, do what's about you to this year. I don't know, anyway, see, can you say, am I a party cocoa? First time you're so close to never go for you. Ah, we didn't. No, it won't work. So close to the buffet, say, hey,
it's a bench bag, so
and then the back bench.
Bench bag.